return eventually when the time is right, when he's sure that he will be given a fair trial. But at the moment, as you know, the judicial system is distorted, being controlled by the military. I don't think it's the right time for him to return, given the present circumstances. And another thing that he would have to be able to defend himself when they say that he is charged as a terrorist. I'm not sure what evidence do they have to warrant such a charge, because it's a very serious charge, and I don't know to what extent the international community would accept the verdict of the court.
So can I read into what you were saying, that he will only return to face these charges once an election is held and Pheu Thai Party, for example, wins, so therefore he has allies running the country, he will return then to face those charges. He will not do it under the current regime.
Preferably, yes, if the government that comes to power after is a government and with under a democratic atmosphere, whether it is the government of headed by the Pheu Thai Party or any other parties, as long as it is done under a democratic atmosphere with all the legal guarantees provided.
Can you understand the charges being levelled against him, though? I mean, let's be honest, he was the leader of the Red Shirt movement. He was the leader of the United Front for Democracy Against Dictatorship. Many laws were broken by the Red Shirts. They rampaged through Bangkok, setting fires to buildings. So you can understand that the man ultimately at the top of this organisation should be brought to trial.
Well, there has to be hard evidence to level charge against. I think he merely give encouragement or moral support to the Red Shirt, who came to Bangkok simply to demand democracy, to demand that their economic well-being be addressed, the economic ills, the corruptions under this government be addressed. They have a legitimate cause to be here to protest, but they were suppressed. They were suppressed with full military might. To what extent Mr. Thaksin is involved, well, there had to be hard evidence, but surely to give them moral support. He is the one also fighting for democracy, for the reinstitution of a genuine democracy, just like the Red Shirts.
All right, sir, thank you very much. That is Dr. Pitaya Bukaman, spokesman for the Pheu Thai Party, the party, in effect, the nominee party of the former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra. So no real surprise here that the criminal court came to this decision. Now we wait to see that Thaksin Shinawatra will return to face those charges.
Thank you, Wayne Hay, live from Bangkok. Also in the Thai capital, joining us on the line now is Nopadon Pathaman, Thaksin's legal advisor and indeed the former foreign minister of Thailand. Thank you very much. Nopadon Pathama, what do you think Thaksin Shinawatra will do in response to these charges?
Well, he is going to issue a statement shortly, probably in a few minutes' time. And secondly, I understand his lawyer is going to apply to the court to revoke the arrest warrant. If they are not successful, they are going to appeal to the appeal court to revoke such warrants.
On what grounds is he asking for the warrant to be revoked?
Well, I understand that the arrest warrant has been issued by the court without any hearing from Thaksin's lawyer. So we should be given an opportunity to present our case. And we think it's unfair to issue a warrant without proper hearing.
But that is not normally the case, is it? Public prosecutors tend to issue arrest warrants on the basis of the evidence they have, not on what defense lawyers happen to say about their own clients.
No, not at all. We should be given an opportunity. I understand that the team of lawyers did try to present their case, but because of some technical problems, they don't have power of attorney from Dr. Thaksin, so they couldn't represent him yesterday. So it would be fair to issue an arrest warrant for a very serious charge for a representative of the accused to be given an opportunity to present his case.
If Thaksin is not guilty as he says, then why doesn't he just face the charges and face them in court?
This is very good comment actually you made. Actually he is abroad, he is overseas, he is not in Thailand, so it's quite difficult for him to
right, but he could go back.
Or to defend personally. Yeah, he could go back eventually when the time is right, as Dr. Sitaya just mentioned. But it's not the first case for people to apply to the court to revoke the arrest warrant, because the yellow shirts did try it last year, and it seemed to me that they were successful.
All right, we're going to have to leave it there. Nopadon Patama, Thaksin's legal advisor, telling us that we do expect a statement from the former Prime Minister shortly.